Happy New Year and welcome to your first 60-second update of 2025 from the Royal Air Force Division of the Joint Services Command and Staff College at the Defence Academy at Shrivenham. Personnel and aircraft from across the Royal Air Force are making their way to Nellis Air Force Base in Nevada to exercise Red Flag, the most challenging war-fighting exercise of the year. Training for scenarios that replicate issues that NATO faces today, the exercise provides an unrivaled level of training and cooperation. Meanwhile, we welcome the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Sir Richard Knighton to Defence Academy this week for his regular address to members of the Intermediate Officer Development Programme. The programme offers professional defence and security education for our junior officers, executive warrant officers, ensuring that the next generation of leaders are ready to fly and fight. Did you know that you can find all of our latest news from across the Royal Air Force on the RAF intranet, RAF website and our social media channels? Search RAF on DefNet to find out more. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.